everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now don't worry, I'll be back very soon with another delicious recipe video, but for today's video I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to really take care of myself during this very chaotic time. You know, normally I'm a homebody, but when you're told to stay home because you're trying to protect yourself from a crazy virus, it really does add a lot of extra stress and anxiety to your life. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing to really take care of myself. Self-care is very important during this time. And also I wanted to show you guys my skincare routine that I've been doing since January and show you the products that I've been using and loving since January, and also some other products that I've tried for the first time and I wanted to let you guys know about it. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So I went and picked up some Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla Body Wash. It smells so good. So if you enjoy those scents, you're really going to enjoy this body wash, and it leaves your skin really moisturized. And before I go to bed, I like to take a nice warm relaxing shower, you know, just kind of wash the whole day away. And right after, I like to use some Vaseline Cocoa Butter Lotion. I used this in another video. I loved it then and I'm still using it and I still love it now. So for the last couple of months, I've been using Kiehl's Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash, and it's made with Calendula flower extract and is for normal to oily skin. Now right now my skin is combination and tends to be oily, but right now it's leaning towards dry because it's still cold outside. And normally I would stay away from foaming face washes because they tend to make my skin feel really dry. And so far since I've been using this, I haven't felt the dryness or the tightness that I usually feel. It's just made my skin feel really clean, and I've been really loving it. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Aloe Moisture and Calming Mask, and it's a Korean skincare product. I don't know the name of it, but you can find them at World Market, and they're only $2.99, so they're not very expensive. But I love wearing masks because it just infuses a lot more moisture into the skin, and it's so nice and cool and calming as you apply it, so I really love this. So I've been washing my hands a lot more than usual and using a lot of that sanitizing gel, and it just left my hands looking rough and they need help badly. So I have this Sephora infused skincare gloves, and this is my first time using it, so I'm going to give you my first impression. And you just basically take it out of the package, and they're already infused with some moisturizing gel, and it smells like roses, so it smells really nice. And you just put them on and you just make sure that your hands are well covered, and I'm just, you know, going in between my fingers and my nails, just making sure that everything is covered well, and you know, so my hands can look really nice and moisturized. So I'm going to leave these gloves on and my mask on for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm ready to take off my face mask and my gloves, and I have to say, you guys, my hands look and feel so much better. I'm just taking some of that gel from the gloves and rubbing that into my hands. And I'm just going to take some of the leftover gel from the face mask and I'm going to rub that over my face. It feels so good, and it's just going to add another layer of moisture. So to continue on with my skincare, I've been using this Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and it has 12% or 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and this has been really great, you guys. Vitamin C is so good. It, you know, stops the premature aging of the skin, and it reduces wrinkles and fine lines. So this is perfect for around the eyes, and since I've been using this, I've really seen the difference in just the texture of my skin around my eyes, and I've really been loving this. Now this product right here, you guys, this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, has been an absolute game changer. It's an elixir pure of essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore your appearance of your skin by morning. And I love putting this at night right before I go to bed, and it feels so good that when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so good and it looks even better. And I hate the fact that I'm almost out of it, but yeah, I love this product and I highly recommend it. If you haven't used it, I would absolutely recommend that you use it. Now the next product I'm going to use is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and I promise you guys, Kiehl's is not sponsoring this video, but if they want to give me a call, they absolutely can. And yeah, this is the moisturizer I've been using, and it's really lightweight and it feels really good. So the last product I'm going to use is this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado, and I do struggle with dry under eyes, and this really helps the texture and the looks of my under eyes, and it really reduces the look of wrinkles and fine lines, something I know that we all try to avoid. So I really love this product and I highly recommend it. So I'm all done. I've showered, I've done my skincare, and I will put the links to everything that I used in the description box down below. So I'm ready to head downstairs. So my struggle recently has been getting a good night's sleep, and so I like to make myself a cup of chamomile tea, herbal tea, and it really helps me to really just calm down and really rest, get a restful night's sleep, because with so much going on, my brain seems to continue to race even at night. So drinking tea at night has really helped me to really relax. So now I'm just gonna take my tea and head on over to the couch and just be a couch potato. Me and Louie just gonna kick back and relax and watch some enjoyable TV, turn off all the negative news, and just find something on TV that I can really enjoy. And I was channel surfing and I found 90 Day Fiancé, a show that I normally do not watch, but I just happened to land on it. And what do you guys think about this show? I mean, I think it's pretty crazy that you know, people can go through so much just to find love and romance, or just to find a spouse. But I don't know, I guess it's different strokes for different folks. But yeah, that's what I'm watching. I think I watched a couple of other things, but yeah, just relaxing and just decompressing and having a good laugh right before I go to bed. So I'm done downstairs and I'm ready to get ready for bed. I'm gonna brush my teeth and just turn down my bed. And before I go to sleep completely, I wanted to share with you guys, last month I started a brand new channel here on YouTube. It's called A Whole Mood, and you won't see me or hear me. It's just sounds and visuals. And if you enjoy white noise like wind or rain or water or waves crashing on rocks, just something to relax to, meditate to, then definitely go over and check it out and take a listen and even subscribe. I would love the support, so definitely go over and check it out. So that's it, you guys. I just wanted to share with you some stay at home and self-care techniques that I'm doing to stay calm and to relax. And I hope you're doing everything you can to keep you and your family safe. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.